Oh, it's hot out there. Hey, I know what you guys are gonna say. He's at it again. Well, you're right. I am. Here's Cleve from Cleve's Insights. I was at a local bin store, and on my way out, I was empty-handed. I said, well, nothing today. But on the way out, I seen a big pallet of all these boxes on the pallet, and all it said was Aquajo model AJ-SPXN-PRO/SJG, color green. So I said, man, $1? How the hell could this be? So I picked it up. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's in here. Can I tell you lately how much I like this Maverick pickup? Let's get it opened up. Got the foolishness out. That's what we got. Oh, snap! What the? Whoa, look at this. Looks like a car wash kit. Aquajo. I guess you put your suds in there. Squeeze the trigger. It's got different nozzles. Here's a spray nozzle with different spray patterns. What else is in there? No way! It's got the brush that hooks on here, so you can use it while brushing. That's neat. Another attachment. This one, it's like a nice foam brush. Wow, that's good for the finish. It's crazy. So all this is $1, and it's got the instructions and everything, tell you how to use everything, register it. This is great. So I guess the next thing to do is to try this thing out. But that's crazy. You pretty much got unlimited car washes for $1. Now where can you go and get unlimited car washes for $1? I don't know. Not at all, because even the local drive-through car wash where you drive through and they use the vacuums, that's like $12 a pop. So I'm looking forward to getting this thing going, and I want you guys to follow me to see how this thing really works. $1. It's crazy. See you on the next one.